Minister of India promised during the election camp to Spectrum case 1,75,000 crores lost by the government. Then I want to know from the government through you, sir, what is the stage of that state, whether this government is going to serious action about this thing. That is I want to know, sir. Regarding the airport, sir, another important thing Prime Minister promised regarding Kachativu. Kachativu is part of our Indian territory, but still I don't know what is the position. Because of that, the fishermen is suffering. For most of Tamil Nadu fishermen arrested by the Sri Lanka government. I want to know through you, what is the stage that central government taking to retrieve regarding that Kachativu issue. Sir, once again, I want to bring to your notice regarding when we are discussing budget, the loss, especially 1,75,000 crores lost by the government because of the previous UPA government. That is what Prime Minister said. Yes, don't take action. The morning you spoke about the constitutional thing. You have quoted the rights of the Constitution. In the Constitution, sir, we have the cooperative federalism is the most important factor. Therefore, we are for our party, ADMK party, to implement the cooperative federalism. In that respect, most of the members requested more money could be allotted to the rail states, especially by Tamil Nadu. I am for that, to see that money can be allotted more, sir. Regarding the project, sir, please, please, my time, sir, my time, no, sir, my time, sir.
Please, only what you say is going on record. Nothing else is going on record.
Sir, regarding the projects, as far as railway is concerned, there is a pending railway project from Pondicherry to Bangalore, to Jolarpet, Krishnagiri and Hosur. The railway minister considered, sir. And road transport highways, Karur, Coimbatore, 810 projects, and Karur 610 projects, Chennai, sir. Regarding, sir, our minister, Honorable Prime Minister, in the election time, he promised two things, sir. One is regarding the loss of the money of the spectrum. So 1,75,000 crores. This spectrum of that money is lost by the government. Therefore, I am requesting.
We are about debate. I have declined. I have declined. How can I? Every time you challenge the chair, every time you think chair has no authority, we are with the debate. The debate alone will continue. Please, Dr. M. Tanvir Rai.
Honorable
Nothing else is going on record.
Our Prime Minister of India promised during the election camp to Spectrum case 1,75,000 crores lost by the government. Then I want to know from the government through you, sir, what is the stage of that state, whether this government is going to serious action about this thing. That is I want to know, sir. Regarding the airport, sir, another important thing Prime Minister promised regarding Kachativu. Kachativu is part of our Indian territory, but still I don't know what is the position. Because of that, the fishermen is suffering. For most of Tamil Nadu fishermen arrested by the Sri Lanka government. I want to know through you, what is the stage that central government taking to retrieve regarding that Kachativu issue. Sir, once again, I want to bring to your notice regarding when we are discussing budget, the loss, especially 1,75,000 crores lost by the government because of the previous UPA government. That is what Prime Minister said. Yes, don't take action. That I want the scandalous done by the DMK government people at that time, UPA government. That DMK government is the part of thing. The former minister, I don't want to mention the name, for the minister of central government of DMK was imprisoned in the jail. Same way, former chief minister of the Tamil Nadu daughter also sent in the jail. That is when the case is reality is there. That is the grievance of the prime paste of the seriousness of the thing only, Honorable Prime Minister said he is going to take action. Therefore, I request through you, 1,75,000 crores lost by the UPA government, where the DMK is part of the thing, serious corruption, because the Wilson Wainsworth, you want to take action, corruption. Therefore, that corruption done by the DMK government during this UPA government, therefore I am request to take necessary action and arrest those people, because we lost 1,75,000 of the government, our pecuniary. Therefore, it is a shame to our country when a UPA government was ruling, the DMK, one of the party, squandered the money. Therefore, I am request, this is a major issue to take. And also, sir, only 1 minute, I want to request, because the scheduled tribe people, especially Valmiki community, and also the fishermen community, and also Kuruba community in Tamil Nadu, still they are in the OPC cadre. But taking Karnataka, they are the tribal people, especially Valmiki people. Therefore, to get the benefits of the budget which are given for the tribal people, let the Valmiki community and the Valmiki community, fishermen community, Kuruba community included, scheduled tribes, sir. That is my demand.
Thank you. Honorable members, what we saw a while ago was beyond anything indecorous, undignified, challenging the authority of chair, trying to make it free fall for everyone, and that the leader of the opposition, an important fulcrum in parliamentary democracy, should be so doing is painful. I have no words to take exception to such type of a conduct. We are Council of States, the upper house, the House of Elders. The kind of sloganeering, shouting, something which people do not even do in worst of situations, was a spectacle in the House. We are in the midst of a debate. A debate has to go as per rules. Speakers alone have to speak. When leader of the opposition wanted to make an intervention, having respect for the position he holds, I sent a blank paper to him to write it down. Honorable members, Shri Pramod Tiwari, who was seated next to leader of the opposition and is a deputy leader of the main opposition party. They ruled this country for quite long and should be fully in know of rules of procedure, rules of conduct. Says LOP requests to raise an emergent issue impacting countrymen and wants short intervention time. Imagine, nothing is spelled out. This kind of approach to take the platform only to earn brownie political points. This is a very important theater of dialogue, debate, discussion, deliberation. I take exceptional stance towards a trend that is emerging to challenge the chair every time. I have enough patience. They have put it in writing also on occasions I reflected. In this painful moment, when our countrymen will be shocked that those whom they have sent to Rajya Sabha to show responsibility, respect to Constitution, be an example so that others can follow, engage into in unruly conduct, shouting, a shouting which We will not bear in any institution, in any society, anywhere. These are dangerous practices. They threaten the very fundamentals of democracy. Trust me and have it from me. If we do not search our soul, if we do not counsel our friends, we will be doing greatest disservice to democracy. We are here to strengthen the foundations of democracy. We have taken oath to abide by the Constitution, and we are shredding it. If leader of the opposition can be epicenter of it, what could be more painful than this? I must tell you three things in particular. Whomsoever sits in the chair has to be respected. My illustrious predecessors have been giants. I may not be able to come to their level. I will try my utmost. But to engage day in and day out in a manner to run down the